Well, the Marshfield Senior Center, we have a brand new addition, and we have many existing programs and many new programs that we've just kicked off. And it's just a wonderful, warm place to come where there's something for everyone and to keep you busy, to keep you engaged, to keep you happy, to make friendships. So one of our newest services is our Seafall Cafe, and we offer breakfast and lunch Monday through Friday. So that's new. Another new program that we're really excited about is our fitness center. It's upstairs and it has several pieces of workout equipment. We have a new dance studio, a new media center for presentations, TED Talks, lifelong learning. And our social day program is something that we never had room for, but it's a program for people with memory loss. So we've been able to fit that in with all the new space that we've acquired. So we want to welcome people down because I'm sure they'll find something that they like.
Here we stand today at the official opening of this magnificent building. Whether you are here for the first time or you're a returning guest, please enjoy the day, celebrate the vision of a better tomorrow here in Marshfield for our seniors.
We are trying to serve people 60 and over and help them to remain in the community, stay healthy and happy, and live their best life. I want to say thank you to the community for all the support that you've shown us, whether it's volunteering or participating, advocating, joining our boosters. This is a special community. It's very unique, and it's everybody that worked together to help make this. So thank you, everyone.